Hi there, friends of AI for Autism. Let's jump right in and take a look at this article from the BBC about how early baby therapy could reduce autism diagnoses. Now, the article talks about how training parents how to respond to babies showing early signs of autism could reduce by two-thirds the number of 3-year-olds meeting the criteria for diagnosis. A small study led by Telethon Kids Institute at the University of Western Australia suggests. Now, the links to the JAMA Paediatrics, by the way, JAMA Network Open is a monthly open access medical journal published by the American Medical Association covering all aspects of biomedical sciences. And in the studies, they followed 103 9 to 14 months old in Melbourne and Perth with early signs of autism. And over 5 months, the parents of about half of them were taught to, number one, interact with their baby even if there was no eye contact, and two, play with them in a sensitive way that helped their development. And at the age of 3, while they still had developmental difficulties, their social engagement had improved, they had fewer sensory issues and repetitive behaviors, and only 7% met the criteria for the diagnosis of autism. Now, that is quite interesting, and I'm sure there'll be many within the community who might see this very negatively. And following that, there were some comments from some of the medical experts, but I must agree with what the National Autistic Society has to say, namely when autism is not a disease and not something that should be cured or lessened, and that early intervention should be about supporting autistic people with the biggest challenges they face. And there's also, it ends with some words of compassion by another professional. So, what do you think? And do you think that AI, artificial intelligence, could help to gain a better understanding? Well, we do. Cheerio, and remember, love, life, and AI.